2-2. Swing and a miss. Got him. 1-2. Swing and a miss. Payoff. Got him. Comebacker. It'll go to Forbes at short. Throw is in time. Well, that's how you make up for the
first few games with them in your hand. Takes a little adjusting. Not be the worst idea.
Runner does not go. Called strike 3. Swing and a miss. Got him looking. It's 3-4-5 heart of the order for Traverse City and quick work. The payoff. Swing and a miss. Runner's caught now and out. Ground ball up the middle. Forbes gloves, flips, stretch it second out, throw to the plate is in time. 1-0. It's a safety squeeze, play at the plate, the glove flip, not in time. Got him swinging. And the Rivets rally late for a Game 1 victory.